Hello everyone. Now today we'll research and practice in English through this idiom number 10 in August 2021. In the photo you can see that I can talking about the idiom mix the boat on VOA English in a minute. If you arrive too late to a harbor to catch a boat, you can say you missed the boat. But as an idiom, this phrase is not about transportation. Miss the boat. You can hear a conversation between Anna and Jonathan. Have you heard back about the passport book design program in Miami? No, actually I missed the application deadline. What? You could have loved that. You really missed the boat by not applying. If you missed the boat, you missed your chance at a good opportunity. To be unable to take advantage of something because you are too late. It can also mean to not understand something. For example, you might miss the boat on an important English grammar point. Anna missed the boat when she did not apply for a program she could have enjoyed. And that's English in a minute on the Voice of America. Thank you.